Alright, this is Mojo's amp. Lazy Peel box. Now listen to it. It's hooked up and the fans of it out. This ain't nothing hooked up to it should be making noise. It's just a transformer going into the rectifiers, going into that cab, going over to this amp. It shouldn't be making any noise when the power is turned on. Turn the power on. You hear that? Watch when I pull on it. Got extra little noise coming out. She's got a little vibration in that transformer. Listen. Turned off. Power's dying down on the light. Turn it back on. You can feel it in the case, just wanting to have a slight vibration. It's going to get worse through time. It is putting out watts. This is stock radio. Driving this amp. Bird with a 1000 watt slug in it. And yes, my table's still back down. That is a 5 watt slug in reverse there. That's 1000 watt right there, and that's going out to the dummy load. This is the output watts. It's a 1000 watt scale, so you read that bottom scale. Audio. So a little over 300. Say about 325. I'm giving it that. And it's a reflect power coming back towards the radio. And this can burn a radio up. Audio. That's 4 watts. No. See, that's a 5 watt slug. So you're reading the middle scale is 2 watts. Audio. Oh, that goes a resistor right there. So yeah, see how's the imbalance. We have to fix that up. Damn, wish that wouldn't happen, but at least now we know no more keying on this thing. I don't think it knocked out a transistor or anything like that. I think we're still good on transistors. But I let loose. But it's better to let loose on somebody's table that can fix it. Alright then. Later.